Twinkl Outdoor Play. Did you know outdoor play helps children build confidence, creativity and resilience? For Outdoor Play Month, we're exploring the elements water, air, earth and sun with easy, joyful ways to get outside. Subscribe to keep up to date. Outdoor play isn't just fun. It supports physical health, builds social skills and fuels imagination and problem solving. Let's start with water. Splash in puddles, paint the path with water or wash toys outdoors. Simple sensory fun. Then there's air. Blow bubbles, fly a kite or chase leaves on a windy day. Great for movement and joy. Get muddy with earth. Dig, plant, hunt for bugs or go on a nature walk. Who doesn't love a mud kitchen? Twinkl even has a printable scavenger hunt. And in the sunshine, create shadow art, picnic or read stories outside. Learning shines brightest outdoors. You'll find all these ideas and more on Twinkl's Outdoor Play Month page, with videos, printables and free resources too. Join us in celebrating Outdoor Play Month. Try an idea, share it online and tag Twinkl. Let's inspire a generation that loves the outdoors.